In this video, we're gonna make a YouTube video downloader. Why? Because sometimes you need to download some videos from YouTube. Because when you are using laptop or computer, in the desktop YouTube, you don't have an option to download YouTube video. Okay, so for that, you occasionally use some additional software, and sometimes you have to pay for it, isn't it? So from now, you don't need to have any other additional softwares. You don't need to pay for it, because in this video we can make our own YouTube video downloader. So that's all about it in this video. So it's gonna be a really interesting video. So let's just start it. So at first, for making this YouTube video downloader, you have to install a module that is called YouTube_DL. It's a module that is used to download some videos from YouTube. To download it, you can go to the terminal and type pip install YouTube_DL. So that's all about it. So that's a simple thing. And now you have a storehouse, isn't it, to store the video. So here we're gonna use a directory. You can use a folder or whatever you want, but now we're gonna use a directory and we're gonna name this as video_storehouse. Okay, video_storehouse, in which we can store the video. Okay, that's a really very simple thing. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the function by which we can select and download the video. We have given a very long name for your convenience, function for selecting and download the video. Okay, so in this function, we're gonna use a method inside YouTube_DL module. The method name is YouTube_DL. What's the use of it? Because in this method we can select the storehouse, we can select the directory that is used to store the video. So that's why I've written with YouTube_DL dot YouTube_DL. It's a method to select the storehouse of a video. That's mean in which directory we're gonna store this video. And we can make this whole stuff because it's a very long statement, so we can make it for our convenience shorter. So we're gonna say as selected_storehouse. It's a storehouse for our videos that is selected using YouTube_DL method. Okay, so we will come up with saying that we have to download it absolutely. So inside this folder we have to download a video. Okay, that's it. So we have to download a video. So for downloading a video, you just need a method, and that is found in this module YouTube_DL. That is download method. Download method is a method that is useful to download a video. So we're gonna say to the Python, hey Python, you have to go this directory that is selected_storehouse, and then you have to download a video, and the name of the video, or I can say the link of the video, is this link of the video without space. We're gonna cover this later. So first we're gonna define the number of videos we have to download. Let's say that is one, because for our convenience will be one will be the best, isn't it? So when we're telling the Python, wait, while the number of the videos will be 1, then and only then show an input statement to the user that copy and paste the URL or the YouTube video you want to download, whatever. Okay, it's a variable. That's mean when the number of the videos will be 1, then and only then you have to show an input statement in which we are gonna tell the user to copy and paste the URL of the video. Okay, so absolutely the user will copy and paste the URL of the video, but unfortunately nothing happened, because we know that URL have a lot of space or underscores, slash, something like that, isn't it? So but this module, I mean YouTube_DL module, didn't recognize don't is not able to recognize this spaces or underscores. Okay, so at first we have to remove this we have to remove the spaces. So what we can say, what we can do, so for that we can use a method that is called step method. Step method is useful to remove some spaces from a string, because absolutely it's a string, it's a, URL, but it's a string because we have defined this link as variable, as a string, isn't it? Okay, I think you are understanding this. So we can make this whole variable a link of the video without space. Okay, okay, and then we can call the function for select and download the video. Okay, that's right. And for your something like CSS, we can say, we can tell the user, hey, if you want to download more videos, then you can enter 1, or if you want to download, you didn't want to download videos and we're done, then you can enter 0. So uh, you can use it for your convenience. So let's see whether the program is useful to us or not. So here, here the input statement, and here you have to just paste this link and hit the enter button, and then you can save, then downloading web page, something like this. And absolutely I don't need to download more videos, so we're gonna uh, enter 0. So it's done, and it's a video, my first animation, it's a video, mp4. Okay, so if I enter this file, you will see that I don't able to write these things. Okay, so what these things? So for that we have to go to our file manager, and there the sorry, uh, sorry, you have to go to file manager, and then go to this PC, then Windows C type, and users, then your name in a piece. Okay, and then if you installed PyCharm or any other thing like VS Code, I'm using PyCharm, then we have make a folder for PyCharm projects, and there we have to select the interpreter, and then we have this folders, we have this file, my first animation, and you can see this is my first animation, the video that I've downloaded. Okay, that's all about it.